Hello, and welcome back. It's your girl Yola Sandy. How you guys doing? How's everybody out there today? I hope that you had a wonderful, and relaxing holiday weekend. Did you? I hope that you did. I hope that you really enjoyed yourself. And did you have trouble staying hydrated? Because if you did, let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. Come on, let's talk about it. Yes, let's talk all about it. So when I came to you guys live, or I won't say live, but when I made a video a few weeks ago, and I was speaking on the topic of hydration, and we were celebrating National Hydration Day, which was about 2 weeks ago. But guess what? As I've stated before a few times, and I'm going to state it again, you can celebrate as much as you like hydration national summer. You can celebrate being hydrated all year round. You can celebrate hydration all season long. Just whatever you do, just do the best that you can to stay hydrated. And if you aren't doing it and you don't know how, that's where I come in at, and I can offer you plenty of resources and bring wonderful products to you and speak on those products and let you know what they're going to do, how they're going to hydrate you, what's in them, and so on and so forth. So speaking of that, and let me just go ahead and let's talk about it. I just want to review where we left off last time. And the last time that I spoke with all of you, each and every one of you, but the last time we spoke, we were talking about a brand called Laneige. And Laneige had two products that I presented to you. They have more than two products, mind you. I want to say that correctly. They have a wealth of wonderful products that work amazing. But the two products that I highlighted were the sleep mask, which is the Laneige water sleeping mask. I do have it here with me, see? And also the Laneige eye sleeping mask, which is here. I don't know if you can see it. Let me just come back a little bit there. But it's the Laneige eye sleeping mask. And these are wonderful products to have on hand in terms of if you need something to help keep the skin hydrated while you're resting and sleeping through the night. Those are wonderful add-ons. As I had stated before, the sleep mask is one thing that you're going to add on after you've done your whole nighttime routine. And so I know you're wondering,